We are here, man. This is amazing. So with Dada, we went to what they call Sunday school. Now, on a Sunday night, they have a disco, which is a bit odd to us, but we're in Rome, do as the Romans do. So we went through, and I quickly realized that probably half the population of Tobago is on ganja. They will smoke a lot, and they very light on the alcohol. Actually, they will drink a lot of mineral water while they smoke. And we were outside, and there were a couple of guys that stood there smoking, and offered some to us and stuff. And I was like all happy, and it was this wonderful feeling of accomplishment that we had. And when I turned to my left, man, I first saw the uniform, and it was this cop, and he stood next to me, and everything smelled like grass, like ganja. I mean, the whole place was smoked up. It was just ganja. And I looked at this guy and I thought to myself, oh man, this is going to be the second arrest. He looked at me, he said, man, are you happy, man? I said, yes, I am happy. Well, I nearly said, for now, before you arrest me. And he looked at me and he said, welcome to our island, man. He said, where you from, man? I said, I'm a South African from South Africa. He said, that is so wonderful, man. It is great to see you people here having a wonderful time. You enjoy your stay in the Caribbean and in Tobago. How long you staying, man? Must I tell the custom guy to give you more time? I said, you might have to, because this is actually wonderful. Then we had a look at Speyside, where I believe that one of the 007 movies was made. And this island is just, man, it's beyond description. You must really see that for yourself. The pristine water, I mean, the amount of fish, the greenness of it all. We went to this rainforest and we saw this golden waterfall. It is absolutely, absolutely wonderful. It is amazing. And it is still, up to this day, one of my favorite places that I've seen on earth. Yes, granted, I haven't seen that much, but I tell you, Tobago will always, always be in our hearts.